Hello everyone, there is an important update for you. The admit card for 4th, 5th, 11th, 12th and 13th November has been released. So I am repeating, if your exam is on 4th, 5th, 11th, 12th or 13th November, then your admit card has been released and you can download your admit card. 11th November is the exam for the computer science. So for all computer science student, you can download your admit card now and you can do your preparation. And then I am sorry for that, sorry for the inconvenience. For sometimes I was in my native, so that's why there was some problem, there was some issue, network issue. That's why I was not able to connect the class, and there are some mismanagement happened by me, and I'm sorry for the inconvenience. But now I'm back to my place, and from today the class will be regularly, the class will be there. I will continue the class, and please suggest me how I can help you for paper 1 or paper 2 computer science. Whatever help, what is needed for you, what you want from me, how I can help you, please suggest me in the comment section below, and I will continue the class. And what is my planning? That my planning is that now we have limited time, near about 13 to 14 days time we have. So within this 2 weeks, what we can do, don't go for new topic. That is already I have told again and again ki whatever topic you have done now, that is enough for the paper 2. So for the paper 2, just do the revision, do mock test, attempt mock test, and practice more and more question. If you have done the previous year's question previously, then try to attempt the previous year's again. At least one question may be what is the problem happening with everyone, that everyone is thinking this question is done, this part is done, I have done the revision. Actually the previously exam date was 7th October. So according to the 7th October we have done our preparation previously. But now you can think that preparation, that revision is done, but don't do the mistake, because it was 1 month ago. You have done your preparation 1 month ago. Now you have to do again the revision, do your revision again. Whatever topic you have done previously, do your revision again. And what you can do, that just go for the previous year's question, and whatever question you have done already, try to attempt the question again and again, at least 5 times. One question at least 5 times. If you can attempt, if you can practice, then only your accuracy level will be perfect, and your speed is very much important, because in 3 hours you have to attempt lots of question. 50 question for paper 1, 100 question for paper 2, and from that 50, that is 150 question, at least 100 question should be correct. Paper 1 and paper 2, both 100 questions should be correct. So this is your target, right? At least 100 questions. So at least 100 question accuracy level, and the time, your time management. So for that, again and again revision, and again practice. Maybe one question you have done previously, that question you have to do again and again, at least 5 times. One question 5 times, one topic 5 times. If you do the revision in that way, then only you will get the confidence, and then only you will crack the exam. And I am there for you to help you. So many topics already covered in my channel, you already know, for the paper 2 and for the paper 1. Paper 2 computer science, most of the core topic like operating system, TOC, networking, and DBMS, software engineering, and discrete math, propositional logic, LPP. So many topics we have already done. In my home page I have already created the playlist. Just do the revision, and if you want, you can increase the speed like 2x or 2.5x. just do your revision. Take your last minute note, only one note, one notebook. In your one notebook, last minute revision note should be there. So prepare your last minute revision note, and do practice, only practice you can do, and attempt the mock test, and let me know in the comment section below that what you want from me for the paper 1. If any help is needed, so you can let me know. And some topic we have not done till now, that is programming. For the programming I will take the class programming for C and C++. I will take some special session for the programming, because from programming 4 to 5 question is coming. So programming I will take the class, and another some remaining topic of software engineering and TOC is remaining. So for that also I will take the class. So from today regularly class will be there, and I'm sorry for the inconvenience, because I went to my native, there was the network issue, so I'm sorry, so sorry for that. But from today I will be regular, I am there for you, and please let me know what you want from me, how I can help you. And please be connected with Unify Study, and please share and subscribe to the channel, share this video to everyone. Thank you, thanks a lot, bye bye.